Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic IELTS Overview. IELTS or the International English Language Testing System is the world's most popular English language test for higher educations and global migration. It is jointly managed by the British Council, IDP Education and Cambridge Assessment English and is accepted by over 11,000 institutions in over 140 countries worldwide. What is IELTS? IELTS International English Language Testing System is a globally recognized language proficiency test for non-native English speakers. It measures listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. Types of IELTS test. IELTS Academic is for students seeking higher education or professionals. Registration. IELTS General Training is for those migrating to Australia, Canada, and the UK. IELTS Life Skills is for those applying for UK visas and immigration. IELTS Test Format. The IELTS test has four sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section assesses different languages, skills, and abilities. IELTS test format. The IELTS test is divided into four parts, which are taken in the following orders. Listening 30 minutes. You will listen to four recorded audio passages and answer questions about what you heard. Reading 60 minutes. You will read three academic texts and answer questions about what you read. Writing 60 minutes, you will write two essays, one descriptive task and one discursive task. Speaking 11 to 14 minutes, you will have a one on one conversation with an examiner. Test content and structure. The IELTS test consists of four sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test duration is 2 hours and 45 minutes. The listening, reading, and writing sections are taken one on the same day with no breaks in between. Scoring system and results. The IELTS exam scores on a scale of 0 to 9, measuring proficiency in four areas. Listening, reading, writing, and speaking results are valid for 2 years. IELTS scoring. Each part of the IELTS test is scored on a scale of 0 to 9. Your overall IELTS score is calculated by averaging your scores for the four parts of the test. The minimum overall score are required for admission to the universities and other higher education institutions typically ranges from 6.0 to 7.5 depending on the institutions. The minimum overall score required for immigration purposes typically ranges from 4.5 to 7.0 depending on the country. How to prepare for the IELTS test? The best way to prepare for the IELTS test is to practice all four parts of the test regularly. There are many resources available to help you prepare, including official IELTS preparation books and websites, online courses, and private tutoring. Here are some tips for preparing for each part of the IELTS test. Listening. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, and TV shows. You can also find IELTS listening practice exercises online and in preparations books. Reading. Read English newspaper, magazines, and books. You can also find IELTS reading practice exercises online and in preparation books. Writing. Practicing writing essays on a variety of topics. You can also find IELTS writing practice exercise online and in preparation books. Speaking. Practice speaking English with the native speakers or with other IELTS candidates. You can also find IELTS speaking practice exercises online and in preparation books. Thank you for listening and learning more about the details of the IELTS exam. Good luck in your preparations. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.